down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me.
Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking. So today I'm going to show you how to install this beautiful wig. This is how it looks inside. It has 4 combs in front and 2 combs at the back. So I'm not going to sew an elastic band on it. I'm going to use these straps, the adjustable straps. Yeah, so this is how it looks.
Down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No,
So let me just try it on first before I cut the lace. If you don't want to use an elastic band, or if you don't want to sew an elastic band on your wigs, you can just use these straps. And then what you're going to do, you're going to pull it instead of like inserting it in this first loop. You can just insert it there. Like doing it reduces the size of the cap and makes it fit. But then if you put it there and then you feel it's too tight, then just put in the first or in the second loop. Like pull this to this side and this to this side if you feel like the cap is still big. Yeah, because you're really avoiding to use glue or use the band. So it has baby hair on the sides and at the back and in front. So I'm not going to glue it down because I feel like it fits so well. Let me just put it in a dummy, cut the lace and trim the baby hair. The tutorial I shared with you on how to make a 360 lace front wig using a frontal. I'll put that link in the description box down below. So when you make that wig, you can also braid it. You can also make a Dutch braided wig from that wig. So I'll put that link in the description box down below just in case you're interested.
Down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself. But this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew it's true. I had myself free out on the ground. I know it's true. I know it's true.
I decided to apply concealer on the hairline just to make it blend with my complexion because you know the hair is blonde and I'm a dark skin, so I wanted it to look more natural.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you said myself. But this is the last. It's wrong, I can't make right.
I crisscrossed the straps and as you can see, I don't think it's showing. You can use Glue.Dutch to glue this hair down, but I was really avoiding using glue on this tutorial. So I'm just going to apply gel. I'm not going to use glue, but then you can spray the glue on the edges. Yeah, applying concealer on the lace makes it look more natural. So you can just do that. As you can see, you can use Eco Gel or Glue.Dutch gel, but I always prefer Eco Gel because when I use Glue.Dutch and then like if I've not styled the baby hair the way I want them to be and I want to correct them, it kind of just the baby hair kind of just becomes messy and whitish. That's why I always prefer the eco gel. But then after I applied eco gel, I went ahead and applied some Go-To-Be on the baby hair as well. I also reduced the length of the baby hair again. And then also, if you feel like the baby hair is too much, you can as well just pluck them to make it look more natural, because I felt like mine was just like too much for my liking. So I'll definitely pluck the baby hair later.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found.
This is like 3 minutes later. I didn't like wrap it for long. It hasn't dried, guys. It was still wet, but then I'll just work with this. So this is how it looks. And just comment down below if you love this color on me, if you love this style. That was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this wig, and see you in my next video. Bye.